breakout room so with the city attorney to retry the case. All right.
Thank you.
All right. With that being said, we can get started.
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Hold on a second.
Good morning, everyone. Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins. While court is in session, please keep your backgrounds quiet and clear. Sit back and look for your names to be called. Also, if you're in a vehicle, there is no driving while court is in session. Also, there is no talking, eating, drinking, gum, chewing, walking around, or smoking of any kind, and please make copies to rest at all times. Thank you.
All right, good morning. Okay, Mr. Meekins. All right, let's get going. That gets us started with City of Detroit versus Christopher Michael Griffin, case number U64202422. State your name for the record, Mr. Griffin.
Christopher Griffin.
Okay, today is the date and time set for reviewing the matter. Mr. Griffin, let me see. All right, did you take the misdemeanor remedy class and do the testing?
Yes, sir.
Did you present that to the court or to the probation department?
I have all the documentation submitted, just except the testing.
Except for the testing?
Yeah, I have it. I just I didn't submit it yet. I have it scanned into my online.
All right, why don't you send me the information? If you get that to me, I'm gonna put my email address in the chat. I'll put it in the close this matter out.
Okay.
So I put the email address in the chat. We'll pass the matter until we get the information. All right, I see you paid, so. All right, I'll pass that matter. And Mr. Griffin, you never did take care of that warrant that you have out. I don't know if you called or is that, no, that's not you. I'm sorry. It's under Christopher.
I'm sorry, Judge. You said a warrant?
No, I'm sorry. Disregard that.
Oh, okay.
Disregard. All right. I'll wait on that information. Goldberg?
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
This is Clarissa?
Yes.
Can you run this is the city of Detroit versus Chanel Clarissa Goldberg, case number C387792. Appearance for the record, please.
I'm sorry, what was that?
I need an attorney to put the appearance on the record. No need to run the driver.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant, Your Honor.
All right, this is state your name for the record, Ms. Goldberg.
Chanel Clarissa Gobert.
All right, today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant, Counsel.
Your Honor, my client, waits for a reading, stands mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give her a $0 bond. And at this time, we're dealing with a 2008 ticket.
I move to dismiss.
I thought I was waiting to hear that. All right, I'm gonna dismiss the case based on age of the case, all right? And I'm gonna waive the warrant fee, but you're gonna be responsible to pay the $45 reinstatement fee, all right, Ms. Gober?
So the problem is my license has been valid for like over 10 years because I pay reinstatement fees and everything. I actually just recently obtained a CDL, so my license has been valid. So I'm not sure how the ticket and the warrant was still in the system.
Well, let me see your face, please, ma'am.
Sure.
All right, is that Miss, where is this from? So I understand that if you have a valid license, but the ticket was still open, and being that it was an 08 case, the Secretary of State probably, since the age of the case, probably just disregarded that. But you still had a misdemeanor case with us, so you're still going to owe the $45 reinstatement fee. But the case is closed out now, so you don't have to worry about it coming back. All right.
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, you have a very good day, ma'am. Good luck to you.
Thank you. But as far as the how do I pay the $45, or will I receive a letter?
You can go on to the 36th District Court website and pay it, or you can pay it at any div key on the city of Detroit, or come down to the court and pay it in person. I'm told you can upload that after your phone, and I told you. So if you don't have any further questions, those are the ways you can pay that. All right.
Okay. So how long do I have to pay?
You pay it at your own volition, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, there we go. Yep. All right, I have an in-person here. Have a great day, ma'am. Good luck to you.
Thank you. You too.
All right. This is going to be the city of Detroit. You can stand up there, please. Versus Sandra Yvette Gilliam. Case number SP 138-1261, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Philip Swalley, P 35229, representing this defendant.
Ms. Gilliam, can you state your name for the record, please?
Cassandra Yvette Gilliam.
All right, now, do you have a valid license, registration, and insurance?
Registration, insurance, license, I went to do everything, but I can't, they won't allow me to take the driver's test until April the 15th.
April the 15th.
Yeah, when I went, that's what the Secretary of State gave me. I went to
You have registration and insurance?
yes, I went to same day road test and went, but they pointed out to me I couldn't take it to the 15th. But I do have my registration and my insurance.
All right, we can close this matter out with $175 blocking traffic.
Block without.
So I got to disregard the red signal. Now that's a point ticket. And then I have the registration, the insurance and the license ticket. You don't have to run the license. Okay, she's already given. So I'm gonna trust that you're gonna get that license taken care of.
Oh, yes, I go
But
take the
to
test.
take care of this, to close the matters out with the $175 blocking traffic, that saves you the points on the disregard for traffic control device ticket. And it'll just, you don't have to come back after that.
Okay, then I'm done.
And then you're done. So it'll be a 0 point offense. It will not abstract to the Secretary of State. It's much like an expensive parking ticket. That's what I related to.
Thank you so
You want
much.
to take that deal, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
On behalf of your client, will you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea counselor?
I will, Your Honor, so stipulated.
All right, I do have a driver's license here that is expired, but it doesn't have any blemishes on it. So, this will keep that. All right, with that stipulation, stipulate clause for the dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulated.
All right. Then I'm gonna find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175 dismissed 2 counts. When can you pay that $175?
Today.
Right now?
Yes.
Very well. If you bring the receipt back up, we'll close this out right now.
Okay.
All right, you can go down there with, let's get that in the system. And then you can go down there.
Okay, so no Zoom or nothing?
No
This is
Zoom
it.
or nothing. You got some other court?
Well, that's it. This is it.
That'll
Thank
be
you.
it.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Thank you so much for taking the time coming in as well.
Thank you. So,
All right, wait for him, wait for him to get it in the system and then go downstairs, pay it,
okay.
show us the receipt. And we'll close it out. All right, Mr. Guillermo, on your client. We are, good morning to you, formal hearing. Okay, here's the city attorney, so Mr. Bill, I'm gonna put you in there.
So,
Good morning, Ms. Schneider.
thank you.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Have a better one.
Thank you.
But we're gonna give the officer a half grace period. They don't come in at 9 o'clock, then we will call the cases, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor. I'll just mute myself. Thank you.
Very well. All right, this is the city of Detroit. This is Cortez Jawan O'Neill, case number SP 1385778, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representative defendant. Your name, sir?
Cortez Jawan O'Neill.
Today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. This is a reckless. So speak to the client, Mr. Faulkner, and see in which direction. I got the I have the better driver's course in the chat, so he can, if he chooses to take that to mitigate it. I'll give him that. Well, wait a minute. Mr. O'Neill already had opportunity to take that. Mr. O'Neill, did you take the better driver's course?
I didn't see where to take it at. You told me about it. You said you was gonna put it somewhere, and I didn't know where to go to take it.
Well, it was in the chat. I think I give very detailed instructions on how to get to it. And did you ever get an attorney call you?
No, I see the what's the name now? The better driver's course.
Do you have the
I know
same one? 2156?
Yes, no attorney. Yes, no attorney has called.
So it's 817-2156. Can we get an counsel, Miss Judge Carter on line to get appointed counsel immediately? All right, let's pass that matter. Let's see if we get an appointed counsel in here this time instead of waiting. Let's see if we get one immediately. City of Detroit versus Zane Chanel Dominguez. Case number SP 129-77831. Appearance for the record, please.
Philip X. Walling representing Zane Dominguez.
All right, Ms. Dominguez, can you state your name for the record, please? Here's you got, maybe unmute yourself. I don't hear anything. Ms. Dominguez,
Yes.
can you state your name for the record, please?
Renee Dominguez.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set forth in arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
Philip X. Walling, P 35229. I am your house counsel today. At this time, Your Honor, we'd waive any kind of formal reading and stand mute.
And you're not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. And, what I'm gonna do with this case is I'm gonna dismiss it because your client paid related civil infractions. And I'll waive the warrant. If there's nothing further, Mr. Dominguez. You have a very good day. Good luck to you, all right?
Goodbye, Ms. Dominguez. You did great.
This is the city of Detroit versus Lorenzo Gray.
Yes, Your Honor.
Very well. Case number SP 139-7626, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Philip X. Walling representing this person.
I was about to say, nobody wants to represent Mr. Gray.
Sure.
All right, today is the date and time set for, well, really tomorrow is the date and time set for free trial. Mr. Gray is a little early. Mr. Gray, we'll call the date set and time for a free trial. You're gonna get the same offer. That's going to be the blocking traffic for disregarding this red signal. And we'll dismiss the other misdemeanor insurance. You have an absolute right to a trial, sir. Or you can just take the deal, pay the $175, and we'll close it out. What would you like to do?
I'll take the deal, Your Honor.
There we go. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea, Counselor.
I do, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Absolutely, Your Honor.
Find your client responsible for the amended count, blocking traffic, $175, and dismiss the other count 1. When can you pay, right? When can
I can pay it before the 17th of next month.
Before the 17th of next month.
Yes.
So You can pay it before, so, you can pay it today?
No, I can't pay it today, Your Honor.
Okay, because I was thinking that would be before the 17th of next month.
No, I'm sorry, sir.
He meant recently before the 17th.
All
Maybe
right, I'm
by
gonna
the
give,
10th, Your Honor.
I was gonna say the 10th too. I'm gonna give
Okay,
you
that would be
the,
fine, sir.
I'll give you to the 10th, all right? Pay it
Thank
by
you.
the 10th, sir. Make sure it's paid. If you can't pay it, make sure you zoom in and see if the court can give you some more time. I hate to see something mess up your
Yes, sir.
driver's license, all right?
Yes, sir. Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a great day, sir. Good luck to you, all right?
You too as well. Thank you.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Your Honor,
Yes.
so Mr. Brian Ginter.
All right, let's see what you have there, please. Now, let's go ahead with, morning to you, sir. Is Lynch there? Tawana Lynch?
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here.
Good morning to you.
You want me to switch the camera?
No. Let's see, this is the city of Detroit versus Tawana Javelle Lynch, case number SP 1288407, counts 1 and counts 2. Appear for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing defendant, Your Honor.
Ms. Lynch, can you state your name for the record, please?
Juana Javale Lynch.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. I'm supposing that you're going to show me some valid registration and insurance.
Yes, I have it here.
All right, now you can show it to me, ma'am, please.
Okay. Let me zoom it. I don't know how to do it.
Here we go with cure. I always say cure cures everybody's problem but mine. I might have to hire Bill LaRue or one of these distinguished attorneys to represent me on that. Everybody's got, I guess they go to cure because cure is giving them a good rate. I called cure, they didn't have a good rate for me. They couldn't cure my problem. Let's see what you have. I can't see it now.
I'm trying to, I'm not savvy with this. I apologize, Your Honor.
I can't see it. All right, Mr. Villaroo,
Yes, Your Honor.
did you work that out?
Your Honor, I did discuss with the city attorney. I need to have discussions with the county prosecutor. I'm informed that Paula Cole handles the second citation, the ticket ending 3858.
Well, what did the city attorney say about the first citation ending in?
With respect to the ticket ending 2353, we're going to set that matter for trial.
Why don't we set them all for trial? All right,
Okay.
let's see what you have here. I'm looking at mainly the date, 9/2023. Pull it away a little bit, just a little bit more. All right, and now let's see what you have as far as registration, man. Very good. I'm gonna dismiss the cases, all right, for providing valid documentation.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're very much welcome, ma'am. Have a good day. Good luck
You
to
have-
you, all right?
Thank you. Have a blessed day. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
All right, so much. Your Honor. Thanks. Oh, let's see what you have. Very well, let's close out. Let's close out Ms. Gilliam's 100 seconds. Yes, sir. Let's close it up. Okay. All right. Mrs. Gutierrez.
You have to unmute, Mr. Gutierrez. We need to hear you.
City of Detroit and the state of Michigan David Gutierrez, case number SP 1392353, SP 1393858, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. For the record, Francisco J. Villarreal, P 34147, Counselor for David Gutierrez.
Mr. Gutierrez, can you state your name for the record, please?
David Gutierrez.
All right, today is the date time set for a pretrial in the matter. You know, you're set trial for one matter. Let's set them for all three, and you'll get an opportunity to pre-trial on that day as well, Mr. Villarreal.
Thank you.
If necessary, right?
Yes, sir.
Get lucky. All right, if it's nothing further, I got a trial date set. If this comports with your schedule of May the 26th, at 9 a.m. You set the trial for one matter, let's set it for all three. And get an opportunity to pre-trial on that day as well, Mr. Villarreal.
Your Honor, can you co-host me, please?
Thought I did.
You might have. You did. I'm sorry. Oh, thank you.
Judge, I'm good with May 26th at 9 a.m. and I thank you.
Very much welcome. And Mr. Gutierrez, you have a very good day as well, all right?
All right, thank you. Cheers.
Very well. All right, this is the city of Detroit.
You can sign off, Mr. Gutierrez.
All right.
Okay, this is the city of Detroit versus Jonathan Overall, or state of Michigan versus Jonathan Overall. Case number SX 413-20381. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Dion Patillo appearing on behalf of Jonathan Overall.
Mr. Overall, can you state your name for the record, please?
My name is Jonathan Overall.
Okay, today is the date and time set for a formal hearing in the matter. Do I have a Trooper Pettis, Pettis, badge number 206, hearing no response. Go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, as you stated, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial, and since the officer is not available, I would ask that the matter be dismissed.
Very well, I'm going to dismiss the case. No officer, if it's nothing further, you and your client have a very good day. Good luck to you both.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
You as well.
Mr. Overall, you can log off.
Thank you.
Counsel, can I have your P number before you go? Yes, I'm sorry, P82378. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, for Guillermo, Sergeant Martin.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Very well. Good morning to you. You just missed the cut. Now, I will, that's going to be up to counsel on what he wants to do. I have a half-hour grace period. You came in just past 9 o'clock. So
Your Honor, serious, all my subpoenas said 9 o'clock, so.
Your subpoena said 9 o'clock?
Yeah.
Here, this says Joseph Guillermo says 8:30. Improper lane use and improper equipment.
Let me look real quick here.
You have Gunn and Guillermo.
Yeah. Yep.
I have Gunn for 9 o'clock.
Oh, that messed up then. I must have just had I must put the same time for both of them then, because I thought it said both of them for 9.
I'll let you if you want to talk to the attorney, you and the attorney want to talk, and I'll definitely let you do that. See, you guys talk about it, and the attorney has a dismissal sitting there if he chooses. All right. Somebody just sent me a message. ETN. Christopher. Oh, Griffin, did you ever send that information in? All right, let's see what we have.
Yes, sir. I actually sent 2 emails.
I see. What about the class?
Yeah, at the end of the class, they said that they would send our certificate to the probation officer and that they would send it to the courts. So that we never really physically seen them, or they were told us that they sent it to them.
All right, get that get the probation officer down here for Mr. Griffin, please. I have satisfied with that.
I'm sorry, could you repeat that?
No, I just want to get that confirmation from the probation officer. They can zoom in and let us know that they have that. I asked my clerk to get that. See if we can get that information.
Oh, I'm sorry, Judge. I pulled up the certificate here. They sent it in the same email that they were emailing me through.
Can you send it to me?
Yep, I probably can.
All right, ETN.
Just 1 second.
No problem. Where's ETN's from?
I just sent it in.
Very well. This is City of Detroit versus Mark Etienne Jarrett Clerk, case number 227453961. I'm going to say the state of Michigan versus the City of Detroit.
Good morning, Your Honor. Navjot Francis on behalf of the defendant.
Is your client here?
He is, Your Honor.
State your name for the record, Mr. Etienne.
Mark Etienne Jeremy Leclerc.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a formal hearing in the matter. Is there an officer? First, is that batch 130? I'm hearing no response and have not seen that person check in the breakout room. I'm gonna, you wanna make a motion, Counselor?
Your Honor, we are moving to have this matter dismissed.
All right, I'm gonna grant the motion to dismiss him, having not seen that officer or heard from that officer. Badge number 130. Case is gonna be dismissed, no officer. If there's nothing further, you and your client have a very good day. Good luck.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Guillermo, what's gonna happen with you, Mr. Client?
Thank you, Your Honor. Thanks for doing that. You know what? Despite Sergeant Martin being late, we worked out a resolution whereby count 2 is going to be dismissed and count 1 is going to be reduced down to defective equipment, just to resolve the matter today.
Well, why don't you just dismiss count 1 and then the count 2 is defective equipment?
You know, the way I have it written is I don't know if the way it's written has any points associated with it. I know there is one in the code. There's an illegal tint within the code that does have points, but the way that we have it structured, I know this one works. If that's okay with Your Honor.
So you're saying, well, I would enter it in as defective equipment anyway.
Okay.
But you're saying that improper equipment has a code, it has points?
No, there is a window tint that I've seen. I'd have to pull up the manual.
I'm pulling it now.
The window tint that has violation is when it's written as obstructed vision, but it wasn't written as obstructed vision. It was written as window tint, which itself does not have points.
Okay, that's acceptable then, Your Honor.
And I always just write defective equipment so we don't get into that, because I don't think defective equipment is anything that is abstractable.
Okay, that works, Your Honor. We can do that. We can dismiss count 1, admit responsibility count 2.
State of Michigan versus Joseph Guillermo, case number SX 4142232, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. For the record, Brian Garmo appearing on behalf of defendant Joseph Garmo.
Trooper Martin, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Sergeant Dan Martin, Michigan State Police, badge 409.
Okay, good morning to you, Sergeant. Good morning, Counselor. Mr. Guillermo, can you put your appearance on the record, please? State your name for the record.
Do you want to put my name on the record, Your Honor? My client's my brother. He's not on here today.
All right, I want you to make your motion for his appearance.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, waiving my client's appearance today, I do have authority to enter into this plea today, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to grant your motion to waive your client's presence. At this point, will you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea?
Yes.
And will you stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to enter find your client responsible for the amended count of defective equipment, count 2, dismiss count 1, $120. When can you pay?
Can you pay within 7 days online, Your Honor?
All right. He's paying online. I'm going to give him a little bit more time. That usually takes more time, so I'll give him till April the 10th.
Thank you.
If it's nothing further, have a very good day, Counselor, and Sergeant, your other case is here as well, so.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Sergeant Martin.
You're welcome. Thank you. Okay, and you want me to go into, Your Honor?
Well, I think you're going to need the state attorney.
Correct.
Under the state code, so I'm gonna just see if we can get APA Cole in here. And I'll get you in a breakout room. Perfect. I got it. Oh. You guys have my, appreciate it.
Running for Garmo, did you guys just dismiss?
Let's count one, count two, defective equipment, $120.
Okay, 140.
Good morning, Officer Hill. Put you in the breakout room with the city attorney. Any other officers here? Troopers, officers? Okay. Let's get going. As soon as that, if and when APA Cole gets in here, Sergeant, I'm put you in a breakout room with her, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, very well. Is this Destiny Priscilla Graham?
Yes,
Good morning to you, ma'am.
good morning.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Destiny Priscilla Graham, case number SP 1245664, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1277436, counts 1, 2, and 3. And SP 1284775, counts 1 and counts 2. Please. Nobody wants to represent Ms. Graham?
Paul Fong, the representative defendant, Your Honor.
Today is the date. Ms. Graham, can you state your name for the record, please?
Destiny Graham.
Today is the date and time set for a pretrial on the matter. I don't know, let's see. What the last court hearing was all about. What was the last court hearing all about? Did you get a valid license, Ms. Graham?
Yeah, I'm working on that. I actually went to the Secretary of State and passed my my written test. I just have to do my my road test.
You have a permit?
Yes.
Let's run our driver's license, please. Let's pass the matter. We'll get the driver's license and then we'll give the matter to Ms. Schneider for an offer. Do you have registration and insurance?
Do I have oh. I got my registration.
Yeah, but the most important component of that is the insurance.
Oh, wait.
All right, let's pass the matter. We'll give you a chance to talk, and then Mr. Faulkner knows what to do. All right, let's go back on the record for Mr. Christopher Michael Griffin. Mr. Griffin, I've got that information. At this time, we're going to close your matter out under disorderly conduct, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you, Judge.
All right, if there's nothing further. Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
You too. Have a blessed one.
Thank you. I have a valid license for your client, Mr. Faulkner, Ms. Graham. So she indicates that she has valid insurance. We'll get her Miss, strike that. She indicates she has valid registration. We'll get APA Schneider in here to see what the offer is going to be, right? Or let you work on an offer for Miss Graham.
Okay.
All right, so let's go past the matter and wait on that. I'm going to wait till the city attorney gets back in here, okay?
Okay.
All right, Riley. Is Riley here? Hey. Little. Tanisha Renee Little,
Yes, I'm here.
where are you?
I'm here.
Let's see.
8:45 under the show cause docket, Your Honor.
This is one of the frequent flyers.
Ah,
I can't hear if you're talking to me. I can't hear. Somebody has their mic on.
Yeah, you might not have wanted to hear that comment now. All right. Let's call the cases. This is the city of Detroit and the state of Michigan versus Tanisha Renee Little. Case number SP 1066784, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1265905.
did you zone out there, Judge?
And it counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 5104691. SP 8355781. SX 4059263, counts 1. Two and 3, and SX 4090585, counts 1 and count 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, my name is Philip X. Walling, representing Tanisha Little. I hope the court is aware that on my docket, there is merely 2 tickets on the show cause docket.
I am aware of that. And
so what I'm going to ask the court to do is the tickets that are not listed on the docket, to dismiss those out of hand, and let's deal with the 2 that are on the dockets.
Again, please, Counselor.
I'm asking the court to dismiss the tickets that are not on the docket, because for all intents and purposes, I have no information to give her adequate representation, thereby depriving her of her constitutional right to effective assistance of counsel. Then we can just deal with these 2 tickets and deal with it that way.
And I'm going to deny counsel's motion to dismiss the other tickets that were not on the docket. The court feels that we're kind of being more efficient in this Little's matter, in that we group them all together so that she can handle them at once, one or a couple of court appearances instead of coming back for new arraignments and things like that.
I agree, Your Honor, but we ought to have them on the docket so her lawyer could be prepared to prepare an adequate defense, or at least figure out an adequate plea.
Yeah, well, I mean, I'm sure her lawyer, he's been around the block many times on these cases, and I'm sure you can figure it out, Mr. Wallen. I'm confident that you can. So as for purposes of arraignment,
we'd stand mute to all the matters, Your Honor.
All right, it will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Will give your client a $0 bond. So, Miss Little, you need a valid driver's license, right? I'm sure, is that what you want?
Yes, that's what I'm trying to get, but it's just been financially hard. But I'm working on it.
Well, I can't help you with the financial piece necessarily. You're gonna have to put some skin in the game. What I can do is I can allow you to pay some of these reinstatement fees up front. And that way you'll be eligible for a license while these cases are still pending, and we can get you on the docket like Mr. Walling wants in all the cases at one time. So we won't even have to worry about making an offer yet. We'll set these matters for another pre-trial and see how far you've got in that quest to get a driver's license. You understand now?
Yes.
I have a counter proposal for the judge pursuant to the memorandum of understanding. And I thought I saw Ms. Cole pop in, but it looks like she popped back out again.
No, Ms. Cole, Sergeant Martin, can you jump in the breakout room 4, back in the breakout room 4? That's APA Cole is there now.
Thank you, Your
And
Honor.
what is your counter proposal, Mr. Walling?
The 2 counts that are on the docket, I would be willing to certainly discuss with my client that she plead to 2 counts of failure to display, both being no point tickets, and the balance of the ticket. And I don't even know what the balance of the tickets are. I'm assuming they're nothing like a reckless or a drinking or driving or anything like that, perhaps some civil infractions and whatnot. And we dismiss the other ones outright.
Well, I will get you that to the city attorney. The only problem I have with that resolution is that even though the failure to displays do not have any points attached to them, they do abstract to the Secretary of State. And
yes, sir.
They're considered moving violations. And therefore, if she pleads to 2 moving violations without having a license, then that, I'm told that 30-day, that if you enter in their failure to display, it gets a 30-day suspension automatically if you don't have a license. And that would increase that, if I'm correct, that would increase that suspension to more like a year or so. So I don't necessarily think that, I do understand your reason for proposing that, because that would not in any other circumstance be a decent offer. But if she's trying to get a license, I would think that it would not be very good to do that.
Based upon what the court has, and I'm assuming, Ms. Little, that you're still in a financial situation right now. Is that a fair statement?
Yeah, but I'm working on getting my tickets paid. I'm working overtime.
Okay. I mean, do you think you're going to have all your tickets paid within 30 days?
No.
So, Your Honor, I think we can work that out. My counter proposal is, how about 1 failure to display and 1 improper plate?
All right, I'll put you in a breakout room and speak with the city attorney.
Or Ms. Cole, actually.
Well, the city's got to have to present their offer as well.
True.
So I'll put you to the necessary people. In the meantime, I'll allow your client to pay these 4 reinstatement fees up front. And let's say 5 reinstatement fees up front, because there is a no insurance misdemeanor. And then that's going to be what, 200 and
2 1/4.
2 1/4. You pay that 2 1/4. And you don't have any other tickets in any other jurisdiction. Have you ever had a license before, ma'am?
No.
Okay, so you certainly don't want to plead to the failure to display. And I don't know if that's going to even, what the city is going to offer. but you want to get a license before you do anything.
Well, ma'am, let me ask you this question. Are you gonna have $225 in the neck before 30 days is up?
Oh, yes.
Okay, that works for me then, Judge.
I would suggest you get $235 way sooner than that, $25 way sooner than 30 days. I would suggest you come in here this week sometime and pay these up front. And then you'll approach the Secretary of State for a driver's license. I'll set aside. Go ahead.
So I come this week and pay the $235, correct?
Correct.
Okay.
And then you have to come to the window to do that. We'll set a pretrial date for April the 27th, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. That's your next court date. And if you come in and pay, then you wait 48 to 72 hours and approach the Secretary of State to start the process of getting a driver's license.
Okay.
All right. That way, I'm not going to guarantee you that you'll get one, but start that process of getting that driver's license. You could potentially come in here by the next court date in 30 days with a valid license. And if you do that, you'll get a much better offer. If you bring registration insurance, you'll get a much better offer than you would today. All right, you understand, ma'am?
Yes.
Mark those tickets that I wrote down there, pay up front. All right, and I can give you have an ink pen? Give her case numbers. Let me see that summary, please. I'm gonna give you case numbers, ma'am. You ready?
I don't have a pen at the moment, and if I'm ready.
So all the insurance tickets, tell the clerk all the insurance tickets, you need to pay the $45 reinstatement fee. You have 4 civil infraction, no proof of insurance, and 1 misdemeanor, no proof of insurance. Pay those reinstatement fees, and you could potentially approach the Secretary of State for a license. I don't know if you have tickets in any other jurisdictions or not.
Okay.
All right, Counselor, good morning to you on Gatney. All right, Miss Little, have a very good day. Your next court date is May 27th, 2023 at 8:30. April 27th. Thank you. April 27th.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay,
right.
thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, this on the Gatney, Robert Gatney, there's for gun. They're in the state prosecutor and the trooper are here. They're speaking now. I'll give you an opportunity to speak with them once they come out of the breakout room. All right.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Very well. What about Miss Graham? We're waiting on an offer for Miss Graham, huh? What are we waiting on for Miss Graham? Destiny Graham. Does anybody know?
I think that was Mr. Faulkner.
All right, APA Cole.
I was going to see if I could get Attorney Gatney to join the trooper and I in breakout room 4.
That's exactly what I was going to ask.
Thank you.
All right, join the room, please.
We're enjoying in 4.
Yes. All right. Okay. Graham, Ms. Schneider, good morning to you.
Morning, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Graham.
Yes.
We call her cases into the record, did we not?
I believe Mr. Faulkner was representing her.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, we did.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mrs. Graham. Okay, so she has a valid driver's license, APA. Counselor Schneider. She has valid registration. She has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tickets. one being a defective equipment, one being a no insurance misdemeanor, one being a failure to stop. She has an unregistered, untitled, a license improper, a driver's while license suspended, no insurance misdemeanor, and unregistered, untitled. So she says she has registration. I have a copy of her driver's license from the Secretary of State. So what would her offer be?
In light of that, Your Honor, my offer would be to plead a 1 improper plate and 1 defective equipment, dismiss the balance.
Very well. Ma'am, the offer is going to be pleading to, for one of this no insurance misdemeanor tickets, a improper plate. That's going to be a $240 fine, but that does not abstract to the Secretary of State, and it does not carry any points. And I will dismiss that misdemeanor when you pay. And then it's going to be another ticket of the defective equipment, and that's going to be $120 fine, and we'll close it out upon payment, and we'll dismiss the other matters. You have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Faulkner so that he can go over your trial rights and see if you want to take the offer, and you come back out and let us know what you want to do, all right?
Okay.
Yes.
Is that Judge Gillis who signed in, Your Honor?
Is that Judge Gillis? I don't know. That is Judge Gillis. Well, we owe this distinct pleasure.
Good morning.
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
I'm doing well, and yourself?
Very well.
Good morning to you and your staff and Mr. Walling. I am actually a defendant on a civil infraction here today.
Uh-oh.
There we go. Well, you could let one of our distinguished attorneys handle the matter, or you could speak with Ms. Schneider.
Judge, I don't handle civil infractions.
I guess I could represent myself.
Although I really would like the story of driving in an unsafe manner.
Oh, I could tell you off the record.
Fair enough.
It's actually a state matter. I don't know. So I guess it would be Miss Cole. Would that be correct?
I don't know that I've seen that officer, Your Honor.
That's what I was going to say. I don't know if Trooper Connor has he checked in this morning?
I've been in and out, but I don't.
The things that we have in are in. Okay, all right. This is the state of Michigan versus John Christopher Gillis, case number SX4175761. State your name for the record, Honorable Gillis.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court, John Christopher Gillis, on behalf of myself today, P79500.
All right. Well, is there a? Oh. All right. Is there a? Today is the date and time set for a formal hearing in the matter. I don't see a Trooper Connor or a Trooper AROGUNDADE Aragunde. Hearing no response, someone want to make a motion on behalf of Mr. Gillis?
Your Honor, I would move to dismiss this matter, being that there is no witness for the people here today.
Very well. I'm going to grant the motion to dismiss, and therefore Mr. Walling will never hear the story of driving in an unsafe manner unless Judge Gillis.
We won't say never, Your Honor. It may happen.
I said unless Mr. Gillis wants to explain to you. You didn't let me finish. All right, case dismissed, Judge. There's nothing further.
Okay. Well, now since everyone's wondering, meaning that it's now dismissed, I was driving down 94 and there was some heavy rain. This was about 6 weeks ago, and I actually, unfortunately, I hydroplaned, and it was it's pretty scary actually. And unfortunately, I hit another vehicle, and that's why. I don't know why they wrote a speeding ticket because they arrived after the scene. I was a little confused by that, but that's what happened.
Well, I can say this. Speeding, it doesn't relate to the actual speed limit sign. So you could have been going the speed limit or even under the speed limit, but they made the determination that you were driving too fast for the conditions, right?
Yeah, that's true. That's right. It is.
If it's raining outside or if it's icy outside, even though the speed limit says 55, the law says that you have to drive appropriate for the appropriate condition, right?
Yeah.
That would be my guess, but who am I?
No, that makes sense to me, Your Honor. So.
I'm sure that, Your Honor, with the appropriate lecture, Mr. Gillis will not be doing that again.
I will not. That is correct. Thank you.
Well, well, I guess maybe, I don't know if it's a mere allegation or not, or if we accept his representation already, but all right, if there's nothing further, then very good day, Judge, and good luck to you.
All right, you as well. Great to see everybody. Everyone have a wonderful day.
You bet. Be safe.
Good seeing you, John.
Take care.
If you need an attorney, give me a call. Oops, too late.
Sounds good, Mr. Faulkner.
I was just saying, if you need an attorney, feel free to call me.
I'm surprised he didn't put his appearance on that dismissal. He likes to get those. I did too when I was a lawyer.
Take care.
All right.
You're not a lawyer anymore?
I don't know what I don't know. I think I'm in limbo with that. I don't think so, am I?
When you're barely a lawyer anymore.
Yeah, practice law. Would you say I was barely a lawyer when I was a lawyer, Mr. Wilson?
Never said that, and if I did, I should someone slap my face. No, you do real good, Judge.
How many times, Judge, in your career, when people would say, "No, I don't want you. I want a real lawyer." That's the county's dime or the city's dime.
Yeah.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Graham. Ms. Graham, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak with Mr. Faulkner. Mr. Faulkner, what's your client want to do?
I didn't catch her in the breakout room, Your Honor.
Did you hear the plea, Paul?
I didn't see it, but
did you hear
the plea is pleading to the amended count of improper plates, $240 fine, and then the defective equipment. We won't put defective windshield, we'll put a defective equipment, $120. I'll dismiss the improper plate for the payment of $240. That way Ms. Graham doesn't have a misdemeanor as it relates to this. And she won't have any points and no abstractions, so there'll be no license interference. And then I'll just, dismiss the misdemeanor upon payment, and the defective equipment will just be a civil infraction fine of $120.
And the city will dismiss the rest, Paul.
And the city will dismiss the rest. All right.
this is on
Destiny.
Destiny. So please responsible
to the defective equipment, and then plead guilty to the amended count of improper plate, and I'll dismiss the improper plate upon payment.
Okay.
All right. Join the breakout room number 2, Ms. Graham.
We did. We just literally talked, and he told me to leave. But I don't think he thought. I don't think he knew that he was talking to me.
Oh, okay. Did you go over her advice or rights in the breakout room, Mr. Faulkner?
I gotta make sure we got the right one. If she said that, let's see.
I think you called me Brown.
Oh, I didn't.
All right, go in the breakout room and have another conversation, please.
Okay.
All right. You guys you can get back in that room?
I'm in it. Room 2?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, let's go with, Mr. Green. Good morning to you.
Are you talking about Brian Griggs?
No, Javon Green.
Oh, you said Brian Griggs?
No, Javon Green.
Javon Green, I'm here.
All right, Mr. Green, good morning. Mr. Hunter said that you got that class set, right?
Yes, good morning. And yes, I did.
And when is that class supposed to take place?
On Saturday.
This is the city of Detroit versus Javon Green, case number Z8058551. Mr. Green, state your name for the record, please.
Javon Green.
You're supposed to take the class Saturday, right? Today is the date and time set for a review. All right, come back next Monday and with the class, since you understand those classes are only on set days. So come back next Monday with that class taken, all right?
All right.
All right, all the other conditions are still in place, all right?
Okay, okay.
All right, you have any questions?
No, I don't have any questions. Thank you.
All right, have a great day, sir.
All right, you too.
All right. Let's go with Justin's iPhone. Or are we ready on? Good morning. Who we have?
I just wanted to give you information on Christopher Griffin. It was a non-probation case.
I got that. I dismissed it.
Okay.
He gave me all the information.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
All right.
I don't know if you know, Your Honor, but Don is now a probation.
That's what I'm looking at. I'm like, and I don't know whether to congratulate you or not. Okay, very good. All right.
We're happy to have her.
Oh, I'm sure.
Yes.
I'm sure you're gonna do a wonderful job.
Yes,
I'm sure.
absolutely.
All right. Have a great day, both of you.
Yeah, you too.
All right, let's go with Justin's iPhone. Who is Justin? Okay, Miss Griffin, did you guys talk, Miss Graham, Mr. Faulkner?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Let's go back on the record. Let's go back on the record with Miss Destiny Graham. Miss Graham, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. And I understand that you're going to take this deal now?
Yes.
All right. Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down, ma'am. Ma'am, do you understand maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand, ma'am, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes.
Mr. Faulkner in the breakout room went over some of your other constitutional rights, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any question about those rights?
No, sir.
You know you'll be giving up those rights when you take this deal?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, ma'am, let me draw your attention back to January 19th, 2022 at around 4:14 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Anthony Wayne Drive and Kirby Street, ma'am. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
On that day, were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
And did that officer ask you to produce some valid insurance for that motor vehicle?
Yes.
Couldn't do so, could you, ma'am?
No.
Why is that?
I didn't have it at the time.
Very well. I'm going to find your client guilty of the amended count of improper plates, $240 fine. I told you I dismissed that upon payment. And as for the defective equipment, will you, on behalf of your client, stipulate to the face of the ticket as a manufactual basis for that response?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of all the other matters?
Yes, Your Honor.
Very well. I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of improper of defective equipment and $120 fine. Ma'am, 240, 120. Let's set a review date. When can you pay?
I can pay as soon as possible.
You can pay it today?
Yes.
That's good. We'll close the matters out. I'm gonna put down here, come back next Monday. Make sure that it's paid, and then you don't have to show up if you don't want to, but you can see this all the way through. When you see that improper plate 240 and that defective equipment 120, put that, you can go ahead and pay it then, and then we will close the matters out. I'll set a review date for April the 3rd, 2023 at 8:25, all right?
Okay.
If it's nothing further, Ms. Graham, have a very good day. Good luck to you. You can pay that at any that kiosk in the city of Detroit, or you can, yeah, I told you can upload that app to your phone, or you can come down to the courthouse. Those are the two fastest ways they'll get to us instantly. That we
Could you tell me the app again,
that
or write it
that,
so I can?
That's DIVDAT. It's like a white machine in the Myers and CVS and stuff like that. DIVDAT, and I'm told you can upload that to your phone.
Okay.
All right. You have any further questions, ma'am?
No, sir. I'm gonna do that today. I'm gonna take care of it today.
Very well. Congratulations on getting that driver's license. All right.
Thank you so much.
Have a great day.
You too.
All right. Justin's iPhone.
I'm here, Your Honor.
What's your last name, sir? Good morning to you.
Good morning. My name is Justin Hicks.
That's what I was gonna say. City of Detroit versus Justin Daniel Hicks, case number SP 137-49141. Appearance for the record, please.
Philip X. Walling, representing Justin Hicks.
All right, state your name for the record, Mr. Hicks.
Justin Hicks.
All right, today is the date set for a trial in the matter. Do we have an Officer Canada? Officer Canada. I don't hear any response, and I've not seen that officer join the breakout room. We're joining the room. Yeah, Counselor?
On the basis of that, Your Honor, I'd move to dismiss this matter.
Sure you would. I'm going to grant that motion to dismiss.
You're not.
Mr. Faulkner didn't get in on that one. He'll be in on one, though, I'm sure. Mr. Hicks, your case is going to be dismissed. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Good luck to you, all right?
All right, thank you.
Thank you. This is the City of Detroit versus Brian Christopher Ginther, case number SP 1292371, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Fulmer, representing the defendant.
Oh, here he is here. Good morning to you, Mr. Ginther. State your name for the record, please.
Brian Ginther.
All right, here you go, Counsel. All right, today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. It's also called SP 135-33062. Today is the date and time set for from the first three cases. That's 1292371, counts 1, 2, and 3. There's there an Officer Charles. Hearing no response, D. Charles, badge number 50. Hearing no response, you want to make a motion on those first three tickets?
Motion to dismiss, Your Honor.
I'm going to grant the motion to dismiss now. How is it that this other case did not come up?
You got me.
This failure to stop ticket was in default. 6/6/2022 is the allegation was made. And the other allegations were made. Okay, I see why it probably wasn't. I don't know why. but Mr. Gint, that the other failure to stop ticket that's not on the docket today was written by a separate officer. Had it been written by the same officer, we would have allowed that ticket to be a part of the record of the dismissal. Since it's not, I am willing to set aside the default. And I'm confident that Ms. Snyder will offer you a blocking traffic, or you can set another formal hearing for that.
Could I set a hearing? Because honestly, it's not my ticket.
On the.
Like, I'm not the one who committed it.
On the, well, he's not, I'll set a formal hearing. Since he says he's not the one that did it. Let's set a formal hearing for May the 26th, 2023 on that matter.
Who did you defend it on?
Mr. Ginther, Brian Christopher Ginther. All right, May 26, 2023, 9 a.m. All right, and that's on the failure to stop ticket SP 135-33062. That was the allegation was made on January the 3rd, 2022 at around 12:46 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of 7 Mile and Beach. Okay, very well.
Judge, if that one's done, if Mr. Faulkner's done with that person, I see my client, Mr. Gildyard, has signed in, and we were gonna get another date anyway. So you want to call that matter?
Very well. All right, let's go with SP, set a formal hearing for 5/26/2023.
I'm still here, Judge. It's Brian Griggs.
I know you're there, Mr. Griggs.
Okay, I'm sorry.
I'll take them as they came in.
Ma'am, sir.
I take them as they came in. I take them as they come. So I took you in the that you came in.
Okay.
All right, let's formal hearing. May 26, 2023, 9 a.m.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
If there's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day.
Have a
Good luck to you. Other matters of business. Well, who's on the Samsung device? Samsung SMA136U. Unmute yourself, please. Gatney.
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Did you get a resolution?
Your Honor, we're requesting an adjournment today to allow my client the time to remove the tint on his car, and then I believe we have come to a resolution pending that outcome. And Ms. Cole did say that she had no problem with the adjournment.
Your Honor, Sergeant Mark. Yes, Ms. Cole was fine with the adjournment.
All right, that's the state of Michigan versus Brian. Let me strike that. Daryl Gunn, case number SX 4063786, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SX 406444091. Appearance for the record, please.
Robert Gatney on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Sergeant Dan, State Police, badge number 409.
All right, can you put your P number on the record, Counselor?
P number 85167, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Gunn, can you state your name for the record, please?
Daryl Gunn.
All right, today is the date and time set for trial in the matter. I have all the parties here. APA Cole was here. I gave them an opportunity to pre-try the case, and it's my understanding that there needs to be an adjournment. I have the next action date as 4/27/2023 in pre-trial. And what was that? What was that for, Counselor?
Your Honor, my client's going to remove the tint on his vehicle and then provide proof.
All right, your client want to take this this driving course as well?
I don't believe the driving course was a part of the agreement, Your Honor.
All right, he's got a 26 to 30 mile an hour over the speed limit. And typically, you know, the city attorney definitely wants you to take that class.
You're
I
on,
can
Sergeant Martin, that would have no bearing on the ticket. I would not, even if he took the class, I would not be willing to amend the ticket for speed.
Right. Well, all right, I'm gonna set the pre-trial date for April the 27th, 2023 at 8:30, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, if there's nothing further, everybody have a very good day. Good luck to you.
You too, Your Honor.
This is the City of Detroit versus Brenda Bernice Garcia, case number SP 128-70381. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Brenda Gutierrez.
Phil Walling representing this defendant, Your Honor.
Today is the date and time set for filing. Do I have an officer waiver? Officer waiver. All right, hearing no response, go ahead.
Your Honor, at this point, I move the court to dismiss this matter.
All right. I'm gonna grant the motion to dismiss. No officer. Ms. Gutierrez Garcia, have a very good day. If you don't have any further questions, you're free to leave.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Gilliard.
Let's get a visual on you, Stefan.
City of Detroit versus Stephen Matthew Gilliard. Case number S26082, counts 1 and counts 2.
For the record, Your Honor, my name is Philip X. Walling, P35229, specially appointed to represent Stefan Gilliard. Please state your name, please, Mr. Gilliard.
Stefan Gilliard.
All right, you will also call case numbers SP 1303469, counts 1, 2, and 3, and U63176-322. You've already put the appearances on the record, and I'm going to say to Mr. Gilliard that this time is the court that needs just a little bit more time in making a decision on this. I will say this was a very thought out motion from your counsel. I believe I noted that before. And I'll be honest, this is the first motion that has been presented to the court that has been this difficult to make a decision on. I guess that's the most difficult part of my job comes now. The rest of the stuff is just sort of routine. And these are the ones that you have to try to do your best to get right. And I'm trying to do that. So.
Are you, Judge, do you think you can have your part of this done in approximately a week? I'm looking at the 6th of April, Your Honor.
Well, I understand that. That's what the court is trying to figure out now.
Okay.
That I think the 6th of April will be fine. I'll have it. Oh, we're closed.
We're closed on the 6th?
And the 7th, right?
Well, the 7th, I figured out that's Good Friday.
The 6th is opening day.
6th is opening day and the 7th is So let's do April the 10th, pre-trial. And I will definitely have an answer to that on that date, and we'll deal with the other matters. Do you have a valid driver's license, sir?
Not me, Mr. Gilliard, he's asking you.
You got a valid registration and insurance? I believe that was a yes.
Yes.
All right, let's give them let's set another pre-trial, and I'll make sure that I have an answer for you by the 10th, all right, of April.
Okay.
And we'll be I'm sure we can clear up the other matters on that day as well.
One other thing, Mr. Gilliard, and I know you've given it to me before. Your address on Santa Rosa, what is that, please?
17380 Santa Rosa.
380. Thank you, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. Good luck to you, Mr. Gilliard.
Okay,
I'll
thank
see
you.
you back on 2 weeks.
All right, thank
All right. City of Detroit versus Brian Griggs, case number SP 1366941. This appearance for the record, please.
Yes, this is Mr. Brian Griggs.
All right. I got Mr. Griggs here, but the reason why he's not on the docket, he wants to be called, but he missed his court date.
No, on the ticket that I have, the appearance, they told me March 27 at 9 o'clock.
I got March 21st at 8:45. So let's as it relates to arraignment, counselor, can I get an appearance on the record, please?
You're up, Paul. All right. Philip X. Walling, representing Mr. Griggs.
Take another look at that appearance, Mr. Griggs.
Well, Eddie, when I last talked to you, you gave me March 27th at 9 a.m. I wrote it on the
when you last talked to me.
Sir, please say it again.
When you last talked to me?
Yes, yes. Because my last court date was 12/13/22.
No, you can. Auto on sidewalk, Ms. Schneider, what's the offer?
I'm sorry, Your Honor, could you repeat it? I was on the other line.
Yes, sorry, auto on sidewalk, what's the offer?
I'm honestly, I'm not familiar with what the penalty is.
Actually, that's a state case.
That'd be why.
I have an attorney. My attorney's supposed to have filed appeal.
Who's
Mr.
your
Hall.
attorney?
Mr. Hall.
Who's Paul? What's the first name?
I don't know his first name, sir.
I don't either. I don't see that there's an attorney that's ever signed up. I guess we can get rid of the case by blocking traffic, $175 if you choose. Or you can, I'll give you time to get your attorney together.
Okay, because he was supposed to be here today. I just talked to him this morning, and he said he's gonna call me back. He never called me, so I figured he might have been in court. So I'm not. I thought he would have been here.
You're truck driver?
Yes, I am.
So this blocking traffic, $175 will not affect your. It's a 0-point offense. It won't abstract to the Secretary of State. I don't believe it'll do anything to affect your CDL status. But I can also just, give you an opportunity to get in touch with your lawyer, give you another date. What do you want to do? Or you can take the blocking traffic, pay the $175, we'll close it out.
I would rather get in touch with my attorney because I did, the last time I did that, the Secretary of State ended up putting points on my license. And, I can't get no more points and I need my CDL. This is my career.
I don't know why they would put points on your license unless there was somebody that inadvertently did not enter into the system properly, but from my understanding, it will not have any effect on your license. It'll be and we'll get it right. It'll be a zero. But I'll give you an opportunity. You want to call your lawyer now, or you want to come back?
I can call him now. I can call him now.
We'll pass the matter, call him now, and then we will we'll see what he says as it relates to Raymond. I'll put the $0 bond in or not guilty plea on his behalf. All right. And I don't think that we can amend. I think that's a misdemeanor ticket. I don't think that that's going to be amendable to a blocking traffic. Go ahead, call your lawyer up.
Okay, I've been hang up and then come right back.
Yeah.
I can call my lawyer. Okay.
Very well. Have a good day. I'll see you in a minute.
Okay.
The City of Detroit versus Charles Kevin Goodman, case number SP 128-35691, SP 130-57233, SP 1423065. Mr. Goodman, state your name for the record, please.
Yes, Charles Kevin Goodman.
All right, Mr. Goodman, you have not paid anything.
You had scheduled me for community service, and unfortunately, excuse me.
Did you do the community service?
Unfortunately, I had a few deaths in my family back to back, and I was
sorry to hear that. I wish you would have gotten in touch with the court ahead of time because you have not paid, and now you're telling me you didn't do the community service.
Well, yes, I had scheduled. I was supposed to be there this morning, but I got a job opportunity last night, and that's where I was headed. And I was seeing if the court would grant me just a little bit more time to take care of the matter.
How much time do you need, sir?
Probably just another 30 days.
Who passed away?
My father, my auntie, and my cousin.
Take your hat off, please. And when did they pass away? I'm sorry to hear about that.
I'm sorry about that. Unfortunately, it's been right back to back, dealing with a lot of death.
All right, I'm going to give them 30 days to complete it. We'll set another review date for 27/2023. That's either do the community service or pay. All right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. Nothing further. Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
All right, on that Zoom user, what is your name, please? Miss Robinson?
Okay.
Yes, Judge.
What do you have? Good morning to you.
I was called Cortez O'Neill. I got a call to Zoom in for Mr. Cortez O'Neill.
Very well. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Cortez O'Neill. Mr. Cortez O'Neill, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. This is counsel that's been appointed to represent you. Let me put you in a breakout room and you guys introduce yourselves and then you can let us know what you want to do. Do you have a copy of the ticket? She joins the room already. Mr. O'Neill. All right, Samsung device. The gentleman with the Grim Reaper on his sweat top.
Hey, how you doing?
What's your name, sir?
Demetrius Larkin.
Larkin, good morning to you.
Good morning,
Good.
sir.
I hope that Grim Reaper's not coming from me.
You're too worried about that, Judge.
Huh?
You're too young to worry about that.
Don't worry about it.
Well, you know. Worry about it.
I want to see the Lord, but I'm just not ready yet.
Oh man, y'all been cracking me up all morning.
Have we?
It's
No.
I haven't even started yet.
Oh my goodness, don't get Mr. Faulkner started.
It's not pretty.
Yeah, I see. You guys are hilarious, man.
This is the city of Detroit versus Demetrius Marquise Larkin, case number SP 1192756, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Bill Bexwell representing Mr. Larkin, but I don't quite see him on the docket.
He's down there at 8:30. You can't make that motion, Mr. Walling. I got 2 cases down at the bottom, toward the bottom.
I see you here for an arraignment, correct?
Correct. All right, today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, I would ask the court at this time to set aside any bench warrants and stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. I will call any warrants. Mr. Larkin, do you have a valid driver's license?
No.
The Grim Reaper came for that, huh? Let's see. What's it gonna take for you to get a license, sir?
I'll just to pay off my last ticket, and then I go take my test to get my license.
Where that ticket's not here.
Oh, they say I had to see the judge first in order to be able to pay off my last $130 ticket for Detroit.
I don't see that you have a ticket, last ticket, $130 for here.
Oh.
You got your jurisdictions mixed up with yours.
Oh, okay. That might have been, I thought I paid it for Dearborn. I thought I paid my ticket off that I had in Dearborn, but I might have paid off Detroit and not Dearborn.
You didn't pay off Detroit either because you only have these 2 tickets. All right,
I
let's
have
go. He doesn't know who he paid. I don't think we need it. Let's see it. Let's see if we can help him out. You haven't had a license in quite some time.
Yes, sir.
When was the last time you've been to the Secretary of State?
A year ago.
Yeah, you may want to stop there first.
Yeah, one day I tried to get my license up there. They said I owed a ticket for Detroit. I had to take care of that first.
Well, you may want to stop in there again and see what they say. I'm going to give you a pretrial date of April the 27th, 2023. April the 27th, 2023 at 8:30. Do you have a vehicle now?
No, not at the moment, sir.
All right, so you can't bring in, you want to clear this matter up with $240 fine, amended count of improper, well, I don't know if Ms. Snyder wants to do it that way. So Ms. Snyder, he's got a no ops and an unregistered untitled. You want to see him through, get his driver's license?
Good morning, Your Honor. Yes, I was listening in the background as well about Mr. Larkin attempting to get his license. I wouldn't be opposed to an improper plate, but I would ask that he be instructed to go to Secretary of State immediately.
Well, let's go to the Secretary of State and see it through. And you come back on April the 27th, 2023. All right?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
So go get a valid license, come on back on April the 27th and bring $240 with you, all right?
Okay, thank you so much.
There's nothing further. Have a very good day. Good luck to you, sir.
You guys will have a blessed day.
All right. Mr.
So what?
Go ahead. Did you say something?
And then he left.
All right, Mr. Dupree, who are you here for?
Good morning, Judge. I'm here on Daniel Lawley.
Wow. Now, why do I get a motion from Mr. Basil Johnson on Lolly? And you're here on Lolly?
I'm not sure, Your Honor. I was appointed on it. Maybe he retained out and didn't tell me. Although I spoke to him yesterday, he didn't mention anything.
Mr. Lolly? And maybe I may have that mixed up. I'm gonna go back. Did you write a motion, Mr. Dupree, on Lolly?
Not that I recall. This is supposed to be here for sentencing.
Correct. Mr. Lolly?
Yes, sir.
Do you know, good morning to you. Do you know Mr. Basil Johnson?
No, sir. Never heard of him.
Very well. I'm gonna go upstairs and grab that. Corporal Spidell, did you speak with, Cyril Hall? I figured. All right, let's go deal with, Mr. Hall and, Mr. Briggs. Let's go back on the record. Good morning to you, Mr. Hall. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Brian Keith Briggs. Mr. Hall, can you state your name for the record, please?
Thank you very much. Cyril Hall on behalf of Mr. Griggs.
He went out and he got high-powered lawyer to take care of this. All right. Mr. Briggs.
Yes, sir.
You want to keep that CDL, don't you?
I have to keep it. It's my livelihood. I have to.
That's right. So, well, I believe this is a misdemeanor here, Mr. Hall. What I can do is I can get Miss APA Cole back in here and see if you can just discuss the matter and work this out for Mr. Briggs. How about that?
I would appreciate that because another individual similarly situated as Mr. Griggs, their case was dismissed.
Very well. I will summons her to the court.
Thank you very much.
Very well. We'll pass the matter again. And we'll get Miss APA Cole in here to speak to Mr. Hall on Mr. Griggs' behalf. All right. Zoom user.
You're up, Paul.
Where's Zoom user? All right, Council Robinson. All right, I don't know who Zoom user is, so let's move on to 313-739-4687. Who is that on the phone? Good morning to you.
Good morning, this is Ray Sean Little.
Mr. Little, good morning to you. We have Hill here. For Officer Hill is the one that showed up for Little. He's got the majority of the tickets, and Officer Michaels is not here, I don't believe. All right, so Mr. Little, let me get an offer from the from the city attorney. And did you speak to Ms. Snyder? Did you speak to Officer Hill?
I did not, Your Honor, but I can come up with an offer.
Okay.
Do we know, have any of the attorneys asked him if he's corrected? I think he had, very little, where'd he go? He has improper equipment. Insurance, any of that?
All right, Mr. Little, you have improper equipment. Let me get the file first. let's see what we got. Oh. So, what about these tinted windows in this bumper?
I don't even have that vehicle anymore.
Okay, so we're gonna assume that's taken care of. Do you have a vehicle now, sir?
No.
All right, that answers those questions.
I'll do, on Officer Hill's tickets, I'll do an FTD on the insurance charge, dismiss the civil infractions.
FTD on the no ops charge. Do you have a valid license, sir?
No, I have to have a hearing with the Secretary of State next month on the 23rd.
I know you're not gonna want to take that deal. Do you have a hearing? Let's run his license, please. All right, let's pass the matter. We haven't called it in the record yet anyway. Let's go ahead with Lolly. I don't have a PSI for Lolly.
Yes, sir.
Did you speak with probation about the pre-sentence report, Mr. Lolly?
I spoke with probation about something. I'm not sure what it was. I guess that's what it was.
Let's get probation in here, see if they can give us a copy. Is that probation saying they don't have a PSI? It's not. All right, let's get them. Maybe they have a copy of it. Okay. All right.
Excuse me, Your Honor. Did you say something about Attorney Johnson? What's his first name?
Basil Johnson?
Basil? No. I got a Don Johnson that's an attorney for me for printing the court.
Let me take a recess. Go up there and grab a call probation and see probation you can get. Well, let's look at Mr. Okay. So Mr. Little is dealing with a driver's license revoked. Ms. Schneider, are you willing to reset these matters? See if he is in any way successful at this hearing?
I have no objection to adjourning the matters, Your Honor.
Yeah, another officer that did not show today. Yes. All right, excellent. So they do have? Yes. Very well.
Your Honor, can I have a minute or so before we go to the next case?
Certainly. Now I'm gonna take a few minute recess. Oh, yeah. All right, let's mark down. They have not checked in yet, but I haven't checked. All right, yes, sir. Yeah. Just bring it to them. Yeah, Gentry hasn't checked in yet. And
Officer Hill, I don't, oh, he's on Little? Oh, okay, yeah, but your client Gentry, or I'm sorry, your defendant Gentry, she hasn't, or he hasn't shown. Yep, no problem, sir.
Am I on your way?
Yeah. You need anything or just help or something?
No, I'm in court. I'm in Zoom court. Let me get out your way,
Mr.
brother.
Griggs, can you mute your device, sir?
I'll mute him.
Okay, thank you.
Madam Clerk,
Mr. Clerk, yes, sir?
sorry, is that Curtis?
No, Chris Flanagan.
Chris, sorry, I
Yes, sir.
misheard. Hey, is it, I'm sitting in the hallway at Frank Murphy. My apartment's like a 15-minute walk from here. Is there any chance I could cut out and walk over there and then zoom back in? Or do you guys think you're going to call this in the next couple minutes?
Well, we're on a recess now, so sure, I'll just let the judge know you'll be dialing back in shortly if he comes back before you do.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Hey, all right, I'll see you. All right. All right, thank you. Did we ever get, okay, APA Cole is sitting in the waiting. So, Mr. Hall, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with APA Cole. APA Cole, I have Mr. Cyril Hall on Mr. Braggs. I'm gonna let you guys talk about this ticket. All right, Mr. Lolly. Okay, Mr. Dupree, I do have his PS. Okay. And I've read it. Did Mr. Dupree get a copy of this? Can you email that to Mr. Dupree? You did? Yeah. All right, I'm gonna put him in a breakout room. Mr. Lolly, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room so that you have opportunity to speak to your lawyer regarding the when he comes back. You can join it now and just wait, or you can sit in the main room and wait until he comes in to speak about the pre-sentence report. So he joined. Let's go ahead. Let's call the city of Detroit. This is the city of Detroit. Oh, let me ask Ms. Williams-Law, are we back?
Yes, Your Honor.
Very good. This is the city of Detroit. Versus Rayshawn Jamal Little, case numbers SP 1288665, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1289797, counts 2. SP 135702, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1438883, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Little, can you state your name for the record, please?
Rayshawn Little.
Today is the date and time set for a trial on the first 8 matters that I call. Mr. Little indicated to the court. Let's bring in Officer Hill. Good morning, Officer Hill.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Can you state your name for the record for this Rayshawn Little matter?
Police Officer William Hill, badge 3756, Detroit Police Department, 6th Precinct.
Very well. Today is the date and time set for the matter, and I have got you as a peer. Mr. Luke has a hearing next month with the Secretary of State as it relates to his driver's license, driving on a license, a revoked license. With that, the city attorney is going to allow him an opportunity to see what the outcome of that case is going to be. So I will set these matters for at least another pretrial date to give an opportunity, because we know that if it goes into a plea today, he definitely more than likely not be successful at that hearing. We want to make sure that he can, if he has an opportunity to get a valid driver's license, he gets that opportunity. So we're going to give him some time to do that, all right?
Sounds good, Your Honor.
All right, if there's nothing further, then you be safe out there. Have a very good day. And if and when we need you back, then we'll send that summons out again. Okay, I got you marked as a peer. You be safe out there still.
Thank you.
All right. As it relates to SP 1357023 counts 1 and counts 2, those matters are set for trial, and there's no Officer Michaels, is it? You want to make a motion on those, Counselor?
Paul Palmer, representing the defendant, motion to dismiss, Your Honor, no officer.
All right. And then as it relates to Mr. Hill, you don't do yourself any justice, because you sit back and you got more tickets on SP 143888 counts. I mean SP 143888 counts 1 and counts 2 as for purposes of arraignment.
Waive the formal reading and request the bench trial date, Your Honor.
All right, let's do a pretrial date on the matters. We'll do a pretrial. When did you say you go to that hearing, Mr. Little?
April 23rd.
All right, come back April 24th for this matter, pretrial, and we'll see what happens at that hearing.
Okay.
And we need to see some documentation. I don't know, will he have documentation that soon? Will they give it to him that day? Or does anybody know?
I don't think they do, Your Honor, to be honest with you.
I don't think so either. Let's set it for a pretrial on May the 26th. May the 26th, you should definitely have some kind of indication. We need to see some documentation as it relates to what happened at that hearing date, okay?
Okay.
All right. We're going to set a pretrial in the matter for April 26th.
You said May.
May 26th, I'm sorry, May 26th, 23 at 8:30, all right?
Okay.
If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Good luck to you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Ms. Robinson, are you ready?
Ready, Judge.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Cortez O'Neill. Mr. O'Neill, I've given you an opportunity and your client an opportunity to acquaint yourselves. What do you want to do? He had an opportunity to take a better driver's course. I don't know if that's been done or not. Has it?
No.
Can we get Ms. Robinson's appearance?
Can you put your appearance on the record, Ms. Robinson, for Mr. Cortez O'Neill?
Yes, good morning. If it may please the court, Sarah Robinson, P63181 for Mr. Cortez O'Neill. This is my first appearance with Mr. O'Neill and my first day speaking with him.
I understand that. I'm gonna put the, I don't know if he's interested in taking the course or not. I'll put it in the chat. And you can speak to him about that. What's a good pre-trial date again? Does April the 27th work for you on a pre-trial?
I'll check, Your Honor. Yeah, that works, Judge.
April 27, 2023 at 8:30, since this is being your first time, acquaint yourself with the client, all right?
Thank you.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
All right. All right, so it appears that we have only Mr. Briggs to deal with, and then everyone else is and then Lolly. Goodman, I wrote already on his, he came in, asked for 30 days. I think I printed that out. They're not. Oh, good. Says, yeah, I have that. Here's the file. Briggs file.
Oh, you know what? It's in one, so it would be downstairs.
Very.
Yeah, no, I don't.
Excuse me, Mr. Perkins.
Yes.
Yes, my attorney, Mr. Hall, just called me, and I guess he's going to adjourn it for a week. Did they tell you guys that?
All right, he's saying that he's still in the breakout. Here they come on now.
Okay.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Brian Griggs. Mr. Hall, I'll give you an opportunity to speak with APA Cole. APA Cole, you want to put your appearance on the record, please?
Hello, Cole, on behalf of the people.
All right. Today is the date and time. This was in warrant status. I already recalled the warrant issue of $0 bond. From my understanding, you want to weekend.
Yes, Your Honor, I did make an offer of a 1-month delayed sentence and immediate sentencing, but at this point, they would like to have a formal hearing on this matter. They'd like to have a hearing on this matter.
All right, is that what you want to do? Let me see. Exactly.
Riding on the sidewalk.
Right.
I'm going to send the a video to Ms. Cole, Your Honor, and I think that might help recall it.
It would.
Is that parking on sidewalk?
Yes, it's 750.419.
That tells me that it's a civil, a misdemeanor.
Yes.
Your Honor, does the court have a copy of the original ticket? I just received notice from my client.
Actually, I don't have a copy, Counselor. It was a little bit of discrepancy. The court has a date of March the 21st. So Mr. Griggs was of the understanding that it was supposed to be set for today. So we don't have. Let's see if we can get that file. We'll call and see it. We'll call and get that ticket put up here, and I can get you a copy if it exists. If it exists.
I can also reach out to the officer and see if he can. I have the officer's name. I think it's Randy Rudolph. Officer Randy Rudolph. I can ask him to email me.
Well, if we have it, it shouldn't take that long for them to get that ticket up.
Oh, okay. I just have to go to one more courtroom.
All right, very well.
Give me about 10 minutes. I'll be right back.
You had to pee. You had to pee. Huh? because I'm in court.
I'm not even seeing that code in my fix. Textbook. That's- Go ahead.
Yeah, the secretary contact, I gave her the case number. She said she was gonna relay it to someone in the records room. Okay. I tried calling 2 numbers she gave me, no answer.
Okay, what we can do, they're getting the, I don't know if Mr. Hall is. All right, Mr. Dupree.
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you have a chance to look at the pre-sentence report?
Was it just sent over, Judge?
Yes.
Could I have, you know, Your Honor, I somehow missed it. Can I have just a minute to look it over and possibly have a breakout room?
In the breakout room with your client, and you could go over it with him. He's waiting in the breakout now.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Strange. We're not seeing this, motor vehicle operating on a sidewalk at all. Defensible. It's 29. All right. Are we ready, Mr. Dupree?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Daniel Crawford Lally, case number Z8084081. Appearance for the record, please.
Matthew Dupree, Key 0132, attorney for the defendant. Mr. Lally, state your name, please. Can you say it again, Mr. Lally? That didn't quite come through for me.
Daniel Lally.
There you go.
Today is the date and time set for sentencing on the matter. I've got a copy of the pre-sentence report. I've reviewed the report. I've given opportunity to counsel and his client to go over the report. Do you have any issues with the report?
No corrections, no errors, no additions, subtractions from the defense, Your Honor.
Right. As it relates to sentencing, is there something you allocate on your client's behalf before I impose the sentence?
Judge, we would, of course, ask the court to adopt the recommendation of probation. By and large, we believe that it's proportionate to the circumstances surrounding the offender and the offense. We would dispute a single recommendation of probation, which was the recommendation that he do continue with random drug alcohol testing. Judge, this offense was back in 2021. I believe he's been consistently testing negative with probation. I'm not sure continued testing would be necessary. At the very least, we'd ask if the probation order could say it's testing at probation's discretion. So if there's a point where the probation officer thinks they can discontinue, they can go ahead and do that without having to get a court order.
Mr. Lally, what was the status of you testing before now? You were testing one time per week?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Have you still been testing one time per week?
I didn't go last week, but yeah.
That doesn't help.
Because I thought the court was last week. I was gonna go one out after finish court, but it wasn't. But I didn't have transportation.
Let me get probation down here. And, do you know of any of the results of the test? Did they give you those?
No, they didn't give me any.
Let's get probation on Mr. Lally.
Thank you, Judge. I appreciate it.
All right. Anything further?
No, Judge, I think other than that, the recommendation is very reasonable. We would join in it. And I just waive any further allocution unless the court's considering imposing jail or something.
Right. Should be here shortly. Was the probation officer first? Yeah.
Mr. Lally.
Yes, sir.
As it relates to the investigative report, it says that you had one beer in one shot. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
What was that? One of those king cans or 40 ounces?
12-ounce bottle.
12 ounce. 12 ounce beer in one shot. It seems, I don't know, I'm not any kind of expert, but it seems like an awful high BAC 0.14 and a 0.12 on the data master for one beer in one shot. Unless the shot was like one triple shot, double shot or something.
It may have been. I'm not sure, but it may have been.
Let's see what the results of the testing are, and then I'll impose the sentence after I review the results. All right, let's go off the record with that. Mr. Hall, I seem to have a trouble. I found the MCL number and I looked that up, but I'm seeming to have trouble finding it. It's not in the offense code book. That's what I usually look at for those. It seems like it should be under the driving offense code book, but I've gone through that thoroughly and I have not seen that. So I don't know how many points that would be. But we're waiting on a copy of the actual ticket so that you can have an opportunity to review it if it exists. We've called down there and they're looking for the file now. Records. Mr. Watley. Mr. O'Driscoll, can you put your appearance on the record?
Yes, Your Honor. Jennifer O'Driscoll on behalf of the probation department.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
As it relates to Mr. Lally, he indicated, I guess he's been testing once per week. Is that the case?
Yes. Yes, he has.
What do we got as far as results? He did indicate to the court that he missed the last week's testing.
So let's see. All tests have been negative thus far, I do believe. Let me double check.
I do think they would have been positive for marijuana as he has prescribed marijuana.
Yes. So yeah, we don't count those as a positive if they have a medical marijuana card, which he does have, and that's been verified. Okay, yes, all tests have been negative, except for the marijuana, which he does have a valid medical marijuana card for.
Very good. All right. Let's, if there's nothing further, I'm ready to impose sentence. All right, Ms. Officer Driscoll, I appreciate it. There's, you're free to leave.
Okay.
Judge, actually, Ms. Driscoll, Your
Yes.
Honor, I'm trying to cut you off. Before she leaves, the PSI had indicated the defendant has an open traffic warrant. Is probation able to tell us where? I'd like him to be able to take care of that, but it's not in the report and he's not sure.
Okay, let me see.
Sorry, Judge, I just, if we can resolve a warrant, I'd like to.
I understand that. Down here.
Is it through us?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, that doesn't appear to be Mr. Lally. That appears to be another Daniel Lally. That birthday is
I would have to rerun the lien in order to find it. It's not through our court. Let's see.
I can just, I think he could probably just check with his probation officer whenever he first reports in and maybe they can check it then. I don't want to hold up the court, Judge. Sorry, I just wanted to.
I want to make sure that he has everything taken care of as well. You're not court at all.
You give me a moment. I can run it real quick.
Thank you, Your Honor.
It appears that is a Daniel Lowry 72995 that has open matters.
When I was first appointed, we had to straighten out some issues with that, I remember.
Yeah, and you know something, and if you pull up it in this computer a certain way, if I try to do it by the driver's license number and the name, but if you pick the driver's license number that is associated with Mr. Lally 7168, and the other Daniel Crawford Lally is right below it, then it will pull up both all, and it'll make it appear that it's the one Daniel Crawford Lally born in 68. And he has all of those matters. So it's almost like a little glitch in the computer system. It is a glitch.
I feel like this, it's the thing with programming, right? Is the slightest thing that's off can completely throw off usability.
Okay, I have it, Your Honor. And Mr. Dupree? Yes, it is out of the 45th District Court in Royal Oak. Yes. Mr. Dupree, do you want there's a bond on that. I can give you the court docket if you'd like and the bond amount.
That actually would be useful if you wouldn't mind.
Yeah. Yep, it's all right. You ready? It's 1900192. S is in Sam, P is in Paul. And there's a $600 cash or surety on it. And it's allowing an unlicensed driver to drive.
A $600 cash surety bond on an allowing charge is remarkable. Thank you, Ms.
Well, it's not our course, so yes.
Yeah.
Oh no, sorry. It's Oak Park. Sorry, not Royal Oak. It's 45th District Court, Oak Park. Yeah.
Got it. Thank you.
Yep, you're welcome. All right.
Does that change anything on the sentencing, Mr. Dupree?
This accurate at all, Your Honor. I just wanted to be able to tell him to go take care of it since he's getting everything straightened up here. I think he just got his license back.
All right, as it relates to sentencing, I've read the review, the pre-sentence report. I've taken into consideration Mr. Driscoll. He has been on bond with this court, I believe, for some time now. And he indicated to the court when he came in that he was ready to put this matter behind him. He's going to be fully compliant with all the conditions of the court, and he's on his end of the bargain. So it's going to be the sentence of the court. Let's see, to sentence Mr. Ali to a term of 3 months probation. Shall not possess any illicit controlled substances, marijuana, THC products, without a valid medical marijuana card or alcohol. I will submit to random drug testing. We'll reduce that. Give me three more negative tests once per month. Set a review date for 6/27/2023. We'll also order Mr. Lally to complete alcohol highway safety course, education level 1, others against drunk driving victims impact panel. Shall not operate a motor vehicle without a valid driver's license. And then there will be an extra $35 supervision fee with a $100 substance abuse evaluation fee. I'm gonna fine Mr. Lally $240. And then there'll be other fines and costs that are gonna be related to any case now. Those are kind of, I can, if I,
Honor.
yes,
Can we just mute the gentleman's device just as you're speaking?
yeah, if we can get those costs, Counselor, if it's necessary, but they're the standard cost in any drunk driving fee. My fine will just be $240.
I think Mr. Law should be able to, if, as long as he's given
Well,
the
the
3
supervision
minutes.
fee, well, I know the supervision fee, that's the 35, right? Yes. I know the supervision fee will be $105. It's gonna be $100 substance abuse evaluation fee. It's gonna be some mandatory state costs for $75 crime victims' right fee. Need to get a copy of those standard fees. Yeah.
There's also a mandatory state cost, Judge. I'm forgetting how much it is.
$50, I think.
I think that's right.
I'm gonna rely on the court to I'm gonna rely on the let's see. I should have those things here. Why don't we get the order printed up later, and then we'll get that to you, Counselor, and you can apprise your client on the fees. But the only fee that is really discretionary in here is the penalty here for the court is less than $240 fine. All of the other fees are going to be mandatory fees.
Understood, Your Honor.
All right. So, Mr. Lally, I wish you the best of luck. I'm setting a review date for 6/27/2023 at 8:30. You're more than welcome to do some community service to take care of some of those fees, or at least the court costs. If you don't have any further questions, we're going to get Mr. Dupree. If you have any question about the fines, when you get that onto the order, then we can get contact the court and we can address those. But if you have everything taken care of by that review date, Mr. Lally, I'd be willing, even if you get it done before then, I'd be willing to consider a motion to close it out before then. But we just need all the basic necessary information done. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Any further questions?
I don't believe so, Judge.
Mr. Wallen, you have your hand up? You're on mute.
I do. I don't believe there's anything left for me or Mr. Faulkner, but if Mr. Faulkner volunteers to hang out for a little while, could I be excused?
You can be, Mr. Faulkner. I mean, I thought you were going to have some input on this, but all right, no, you can free to leave, Mr. Walling. All right,
doing just fine.
No, I know, but all right. If there's nothing further, then we will see you back on June the 27th, 2023 for a review date. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you. All right, Mr. Lally, good luck to you. All right.
I'm sorry, man. I thought you were done.
You're good, Bill. Good seeing you.
Always a pleasure. I'm sorry, Judge. I thought you were done.
No, okay, we're done now. Hey, you're free to leave. Officer Latinsky.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Did I get the pronunciation of that right?
It's Lunguski, Your Honor.
Legowski, I'm sorry. Mr. Gentry never showed. So I'll mark you down as being here and we will, you're free to leave, Mr. Lally.
Oh. And am I free to go, Judge?
Yes, you are.
Thank you.
All right, have a great day.
Okay.
Finley. All right, officer, you're free to leave. I'll mark you as in. Here. Is this Gentry? Is this Gentry?
Who's talking?
Is this Gentry?
This is Amanda Liggins.
Okay, all right, officer, I think you're free to leave if you choose.
Okay, I really appreciate it, Your Honor. You have a good week.
You have a better one. Be safe out there, all right?
Thank you.
Very well. All right. Liggins?
Yes, sir. I do apologize. Yes, sir.
So late.
I do apologize, sir. I had work and it totally slipped my mind. I forgot. I just forgot. I just got off of work and I literally just remembered.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Amanda Shanice Liggins. Case numbers SP 105-3319 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 649-287 counts 1 and counts 2. SX 373-25231. Appearance for the record, please.
You said who for the record?
Appearance. I'm talking about Mr. Faulkner. Can you put your appearance? You're muted, Mr. Faulkner. Can you put your appearance on the record, please? I don't know where he went. All right, Mr. Hall, if you want to go, you're free to leave. If you can put your email address in the chat, and we can try to get you that ticket if it exists. But so far, that ticket hasn't come up here.
Okay, and you just gonna mail out the court date?
No, we'll set the court date now.
Okay.
You said you want to come back next week. If the ticket, if we set a trial date, we could set a trial date in this matter. Let's go back on the record with Brian Keith Griggs. We can set a trial date in the matter. If I don't have a copy of the original complaint on that date, I don't proceed on ROAs. So if there's not a copy of the original complaint in the file, then you can make your motion.
Okay, that's fine.
If there is a copy of the complaint, if it does come, we can, we'll get you that. We'll get you an opportunity to speak again with the state attorney, and we'll allow you that opportunity to pre-try the case. So if you just want to set a trial date, it won't. I wouldn't force your client to take any kind of deal on that date. I understand that you're still in negotiations, and you do need a copy of the ticket in order for you to be able to properly proceed. So
okay, that's a good deal.
I have a trial date for May the 26th, 2023. And again, that file should be here by then. If it's not, you can make your motion on that, and we'll proceed accordingly. That May 26th date good for you?
Yes, it's fine, Your Honor.
All right, May 26, 2023 at 9 a.m. is going to be the next action date, all right?
Okay, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. I'm sorry I was a little late checking in.
No worries. If there's nothing further, you and your client have a very good day. Good luck to you, Mr. Griggs. I'll see you soon. Good to see you, Mr. Hall.
Okay, you too. Thank you, Your Honor.
Miss Liggins, can you go put some extra clothes on a little bit? Let's see. All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Amanda Liggins. Miss Liggins, you were here. I don't know if you were here once before or not. You had to be
Yes.
at some
Yes.
point. What were we
So
supposed
February,
to be?
I was here February 27th. After I think paid all the bonds at the courthouse, I had that hearing. I was waiting on my birth certificate to come for my license. I have my license now.
Let's run a driver's license, please. Mr. Faulkner, can you put your appearance on the record, please? Can you put your appearance on the record for Miss Amanda Liggins, Mr. Faulkner?
Oh, I missed my, he turned me on. I'm sorry, Your Honor. It's a show cause or,
It's set for pre-trial.
okay. I have not seen the offer or what's,
Nothing, just put your appearance on the record now. We're waiting on Miss Liggins, she's indicated she has a valid license now.
okay. Paul Faulkner, P 22993.
Okay. I do have a valid license.
It's 4, by the way, 22994. I forgot.
All right, for that, we're gonna give you an amended count of improper plate. That's gonna be a $240 fine. We'll dismiss all the other matters. And we'll dismiss the improper plate upon payment of the $240 fine. That is a 0-point offense. It does not abstract to the Secretary of State. And it's a misdemeanor, but once you pay the fine, I'll dismiss it.
Yes, sir.
Want to take the deal now?
Yes. Yes.
All right. Is that your husband or significant other?
Yes,
There.
my husband. My husband,
All right.
yes.
Very well. Does he approve of it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. He told me to add the money that I paid to the courthouse for the bonds, is that all?
Yeah, they'll take the bond.
I'm sorry.
If you pay a bond, then they'll take the money out of the bonds. First.
Yes, sir. I did pay a $600 bond.
So you're gonna get some money back, but might not come back to your birthday.
Oh, that's fine. As long as it goes to you guys, I'm okay.
Minus the $240 and the reinstatement fees. So I'm gonna waive the warrant fees, but you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 reinstatement fees. It seems like that's 225 plus 240.
Okay.
It seems like you will get some money back, but not very much.
That's fine. That's fine. So how do I know when that is applied, or how do I find out how to go about applying that to the money that I owe?
To the bond money.
465. So then you'll get $135 back. We can put in the computer that apply the bond. Yeah. All right. Join the break. You can put that in the computer. Make sure your address is right. Are you still on Woodingham?
No, I am not. My license reflects where I am now.
Is that Alden?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'm gonna mark that. We'll change that in the computer.
Thank you.
So the money goes to the right place. All right, Mr. Faulkner, go over in the breakout room with the client and advise her of her advice or rights, okay?
Sure.
All right, join the breakout room, ma'am. Speak with the lawyer, please.
Who's here now?
Breakout room 2, Mr. Faulkner.
Yeah, I'll tell you, the bottom of my computer went out.
Let me see if I can change to 3. You see that?
That took me back here.
You got 2? All right. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Liggins. Ms. Liggins, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Were you able to go over her advice or rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Liggins, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, ma'am. Ma'am, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
And Mr. Faulkner in the breakout room went over some of your other advice or rights, did he not?
Yes.
You understand them?
Yes.
Did you have any questions about them?
Not about the rights, no, sir.
And you understand that you'll be giving up those rights upon taking this plea?
Yes.
All right, let me draw your attention way back to January 3rd, 2023. No, strike that, January 3rd, 2020 at around 7:35 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Martin Luther King Jr. Boulevard and 14th Street. You recall being pulled over by the Detroit Police Department at that time?
Yes, sir.
Were you operating a motor vehicle at that time?
Yes.
Did you have did the officer ask you to produce valid insurance for that vehicle?
He did.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No, sir.
All right, I'm gonna find your client guilty. Why is that? Why couldn't you produce the insurance? I'm sorry.
I was driving my mom's vehicle. Her birthday had just expired December 7th. I was just picking up my children. I didn't have her insurance or her valid tags.
I'll give your client a trial date if your client wishes, Mr. Faulkner. These tickets are 2019 tickets. And 2020 tickets and 2016 tickets.
Ms. Fenley?
Yes.
You want to come back time, see if you can do better, ma'am?
Okay.
Do you want to come back one more time, see if you can do better on these matters?
What would I have to do?
You just come back, we'll set it for trial, and the officer will, if the officer doesn't appear, we'll dismiss the matters. If the officer does appear, we'll give you the same offer today.
Okay, so those weren't the tickets that were paid in 2021. I made payments on some tickets. I don't know which ones. I did make some payments.
You made a payment on the 16 to 20 over ticket. And you made a payment on the expired plate ticket.
Okay.
And then you had two state matters.
Right, and those were.
All right, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to dismiss the cases for paying related civil infraction. You paid a related civil infraction in every matter. I think we had you back just to see these cases through, so that you had a valid driver. And that's what I would typically do. I'm going to change the address. I'm going to waive the warrant fee. You're still going to pay the reinstatement fee, but you won't have to pay the additional $240. All right, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
That's what you get for taking the steps necessary to get a valid driver's license. And you paid. So we'll get you some of that money back minus the reinstatement fees. All right?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. Can we change the address in the system and then issue, right? And then put these. Do I need to write down there? Apply. Yeah. Bond. All right, we'll do that. Change address and apply bond. She paid related civil infraction on each one of the missing stops, okay? Very well, Ms. Liggins. If you don't have any further questions, you're free to leave. Good luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, have a great day, man.
You as well.